My child, I want to speak to those who walk alone their own direction, those who dare to chart their own course in life. Today I want to inspire you and let you know that you are not alone in your journey, but you are pioneers of a different path, the path less traveled. This is for those who walk alone in their direction and for those who may one day join them. But before we dive into this empowering journey for forging your own path, I want to hear from you. Comment down below and share your own experiences of walking your unique path, the challenges you have faced, and the triumphs you have celebrated. Your stories can inspire others who resonate with your journey. Now, let's explore the beauty of walking your own path. Walking alone in your direction often means solitude, and solitude breeds self-discovery. It's in these moments of solitude that you truly get to know yourself, your strengths, and your weaknesses. Embrace this time to silently outperform yourself every day. But here's the secret. You're not meant to walk alone forever. There comes a time when you should consider team building. When you gather a team of like-minded individuals who share your vision. Together you can create something greater than the sum of your individual efforts. Think about some of the most successful teams and collaborations in history. The Wright brothers, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, or even the founding fathers of a nation. They didn't achieve their greatness alone. They harnessed the power of teamwork and healthy competition to succeed in their respective realms. In conclusion, whether you walk alone or with a team, remember that your journey is unique and your direction is your own. Solitude can be your greatest teacher and collaboration can be your most potent weapon. By learning from each other's unique qualities, by pushing each other to be better, you can succeed in all realms of life and leave a legacy that empowers others to walk their own direction. Now it's your turn to share your experiences and thoughts on walking your own path or collaborating with others. Comment below and let's continue this empowering conversation. Together we can inspire one another to embrace the power of both solitude and collaboration, fostering a world where everyone can walk their own direction with strength, purpose, and unity. To dive deeper into intriguing topics like this, click here to watch more and wake up.